Hey guys, welcome back to Isabel's Moments. And today I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys. And if it's the one that I think it is, I think it's from Anna Store, and it's like I won't tell you what it is, even though you might know it by looking at it. But we'll just get into it. I need to stop talking and just attempt to open this. And it did have this hole right here when I went and got it, but it doesn't, hopefully that doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe pull this off. So yeah, there's the box. It's kind of banged up here and here, so hopefully so it has like the instructions, but it's in like Chinese or whatever, but it has a picture of how to do it, so that's nice to have it on the outside. But like, even though it doesn't tell you, like, if you can't read it, then it has a picture, so you can kind of go off the picture. I don't know if you can tell that better, but that is like very queenged up. So hopefully the canvas is in better shape. It's rolled on a foam roller. Ow, this is the one. Okay. All right. Came with a boat with a spout, baggies, tweezers with little roundabout, a 3-tip pen with just a single, came with a little gift. If you saw my other unboxing, you probably know who this is. So I have another one just like that. You probably can't tell from there, but they're my sparkly, I'm gonna call them sparkly Disney princesses, because I love Disney princesses, and more than likely I'll be ordering like a bunch more. See if you can see that a little bit better. Not focus. I don't know. Let me get out the inventory sheets. Maybe if I can figure out where the little thingy is. I don't see loose drills, which I think last time was the problem. I don't remember. There is a lot. It feels a little damp. The smell is ferocious. You kind of see that a little bit better. This is a 50 by 70. So far, this is my biggest diamond painting yet. And it is a full square. Like I said, I ordered it from Anna Store. I ordered it July 1st. It shipped July 4th, and it got delivered. Well, they tried to deliver it here, but there was no secure place, so they ended up keeping it at the post office. So I went and got that after work, so I just got home from the post office, and I really wanted to see it, but I wanted to do it with you guys. So it took about 20 days from like order to delivered, which is not bad. I think that's typical from what I've been receiving out here in the middle of nowhere in Nebraska. So yeah, let's get There's 40, make sure there's none on the back. There's 47 colors. This worries me right here. I turn it over and it's wet. That concerns me. If you guys saw my last unboxing with Hoovercan, I was very unhappy with one of the paintings. So hopefully this one goes better. But I have like blues and like pinks. I'll just dump her out. I will save this. But yeah, I have blue. Oh, this really pretty pink. 3609 if you're a fan of pinks. We got some green. I swear we got every color of the rainbow in here. And I like the rainbow. This is a really, like, it's like an off orange. It's like an orangey yellow. Like a darker, like a teal color. So yeah, a bunch of fun. It's either 606 or 906. But yeah, we have fun pinks, reds, 38. I'm not seeing any black. Oh, I take that back. I have some black here. The Glorious 310, but it doesn't look like I have a lot of black. Let's see what the most I have. I have 18, 38, 65, which I think is just like, it's like not white. I think it's like an off-white. I think the true white is 5200, but I don't think I have that one. Sorry, I'm talking weird today. How many? 3. And they're not in order either, so I'm like trying to find 310. Oh, 310. I have 20 bags of 310, which is the most color. Then the 3865. I have 18 and 3609. Is that pretty pink one? I have 11, and then the 820. I did 20, I think that's a darker color, I don't know. I know, there's lots of colors here. Like I said, there's 47 colors. Like, oh, okay. Yeah, and that's a lot of the big ones. A lot of the other ones are like 9 or 3 or 4. It got ripped. So let me put all of the drills or beads back in the bag. I'll do inventory after to make sure I have all the beads, because, you know, sometimes, I don't know, I don't want to say this because it's never happened to me, and I don't want it to be the time that, like, I have missing drills, but I've never had missing drills. And watch, I'm going to have missing drills with this one. Just watch it. I know I will, that I said it, I jinxed myself, and I'm just throwing drills, which I don't need help for that. And I'm sure nobody else does, because they're small and they're clumsy, and, well, at least I am. I don't know about you guys. But yeah, maybe that's, so, a little bit better. There's a lot of colors going on. I'm very excited about this one. Not about the size, because it's the biggest one ever. It is rolled on a foam roller, so hopefully there's no like creases or bubbles. I can tell it's cut in 2 sections, which is nice. And with my nails, this is really hard to do. Why do I get my nails? I'm like, every time I'm like, everything's so much harder to do, and why do I do it every time? So yeah, hopefully this is not printed all GX-y. Yeah, this is not as big as I thought it was going to be, but it's still, I'm working off of like a TV tray that you can get at Walmart. And it like comes, the table's here. And then the table, you can even see that. I'm like pulling it up, like right here is where the table ends. So from what I'm working off, it's very manageable. Maybe if now it's like, maybe peel back just a corner. You guys. It looks super clear, so I'm happy about that. Probably can't tell. But yeah, it looks super clear. Let me lay that back down before I stick it to something. And it's like rolling up. And I know a trick to get that unrolled. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take each section of the paper. Oh, I'm excited. And you're gonna roll it back. Let me flatten that out real quick. And then do this other side real quick. Hopefully this, like, I didn't have, like, I wanted to go bigger, but I didn't have the budget to go any bigger. But I don't know if you can see, but that's Cinderella and her carriage. I think this will look nice. Let me feel this. I didn't show you the top part. You have Ariel right here, and then Jasmine. That looks a lot better on camera. But yeah, I think that's gonna turn out real nice. It's a full square, 70 by 50, so it's 70 long and 50 wide. Is that how it is? 70 long, 50 wide? I don't know. I don't claim to be an expert on like math and landscape, and portraits are not my thing. Let me get her unrolled here. I'm excited. This one turned out really well. I'll have to take a look at the drills or beads or resins to see. Yeah, so let me turn this around without actually catching anything. So yeah, you have the castle, Aurora, Belle, Snow White, the glass, and then the dwarfs are down below Snow White, which I don't know if you can see that. You might be able to, yeah. So yeah. And then you have Ariel. Oh, this is gonna look so good. Let me turn this around because I am right-handed, not left-handed. But yeah, the symbols are like super clear. Yeah, I'm really excited. And it's sticky, as you can tell. And it's key. I'm just gonna roll this back down because it just stuck to my TV tray, and knowing my luck, I'm gonna stick it to something else that's not supposed to stick to it unless it's the diamonds. And y'all know I stick stuff to everything. So yeah, remember how it was like rolling up on me? Like, there's still a little like roll in the corners, but overall, yeah, I didn't see, the canvas looked really clear. There was like no bubbles, because it was rolled on a foam roller. So yeah, I'll show you that again. And that does have well, I don't know. It's like a number 3. I don't know if that's a quality. It's probably a quality checker or sticker, but they were all checked, marked. But I will go ahead and recheck them, and I will let you know down in the comments if I had any missing drills or not. So yeah, this one's a lot of fun colors in it, and I'm really excited to do this one. So yeah, if you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below. And thank you everyone that has subscribed. Yes, thank you. I'm like sidetracked because I'm so happy that this one turned out like really well, because I was really upset in my last unboxing. Like I was so flustered I couldn't even and I'm pretty sure I forgot to say the painting was either like full or round or square, so hopefully people know about that. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you would like to, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you. And I get excited every time I get a new subscriber. Like my heart does a little like putter flutter. So yeah, hope you have a great day and a wonderful weekend. I certainly will, because I just got a painting, a beautiful painting, and so hopefully the drills aren't oily and whatnot. But if not, that is something I can deal with. I can deal with oily drills. I just can't deal with me not being able to read numbers on the canvas. That's not fixable. I can't fix that. If I can't fix it, then yeah, sorry. Before I start rambling and getting all mad again, we'll end it on a happy note. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, weekend, night, whenever you're watching this. Take care. See ya.